It's a program that helps students prepare for success in college while in high school. It's helped thousands of people find perfect careers and some love. Just ask the Pattons. The Patton love story is rooted in Toledo Excel. It's a University of Toledo program that offers support to Toledo minorities who earn a B average or above in high school. Each student who successfully completes the program is offered a UT scholarship. Anthony and Carla Patton are just two success stories.
And it really enhances academic engagement.
Anthony Patton had a chance to travel to Africa.
I was 16 years old. It was just a once-in-a-lifetime thing. It really opened my worldview.
But his wife will tell you the program changed his life in other dynamic ways.
And we just sort of crossed paths, and I'm like, hey, how you doing? And then before you know it, we started dating.
I mean, it was really fate because, I mean, I could have went residency somewhere else. And
the two Toledo Excel students were married in 2013, and now they've started a family. Meet Mackenzie.
So that is our Excel baby, and she is such a blessing.
Since the Patton Family Foundation is rooted in UT, it only makes sense for them to teach here. Anthony is a professor in the College of Pharmacy. Carla is an African Studies professor.
You know, I really wanted to give back to this university. And my community that really helped give me everything, give me my career. I got my degrees from here, my residency.
Since 1988, more than 1,200 students have been impacted by Toledo Excel. To commemorate the milestone, a 30 for 30 fundraising campaign just kicked off.
This community has stood by this program. Obviously, the university has made a major commitment to place this program within its base budget for 30 years. That's a huge commitment, but the impact it has made literally is worldwide.
The program is asking for a $30 gift to celebrate its 30th anniversary. It's a way to make sure Toledo Excel can be around for little Mackenzie. She's so cute. Oh. And if you would like to donate to Toledo Excel's 30 for 30 fundraiser, we posted a link on our website where you can give 13ABC.